This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video of today we will discuss how to do filling and printing of an array using input and print statements. So in the previous video we have discussed that how to do filling and printing of an array using let and print statement. In this video of today we will discuss how to do filling and printing of an array using the input and print statements. So now we'll discuss a program, and the following program will declare an array of 3 elements with the name NO and fill the array with input statement, and then print the array with print statement. So the program I'm gonna write over here is 10, line number 10. Dim statement will be used in the variable name NO with subscript 3 because we want to use 3 elements for this array. Line number 20, input, we will type first number colon double quotes close comma NO subscript 0. Likewise, line number 30 we will type input second number and type NO subscript 1. Line number 40 we will type NO subscript 2 equal to NO subscript 0 plus NO subscript 1. So you know very well, we discussed in our previous videos that whenever statement or message, anything enclosed in double quotes is used with the input or print statement, will be displayed on the output screen as it is. So the whole message first number dot 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 will be and column will be displayed on the screen as it is, and then the user will give a value which will be stored in the array NO subscript 0, and the second message will be displayed on the screen and will ask the user to give the value of the second value, and it will be stored in the array NO subscript 1. And line number 50 will use the print statement to show the output, the result on the screen, and we will show NO subscript 0 comma. We will use semicolon because it gives us a reduced space instead of wider space, so we will use semicolon instead, and then semicolon NO subscript 2. Line number 60 we will type END. Okay, the previous program we didn't use the input statement, just used the let and for assignment and print statement to show the output on the screen. But here in this program, in this video of today, we have used the input statement because in this program our program will ask the user to give 2 different values, and will give the addition and will store the addition of these two in the array, 2 values, and the addition will be stored to the left hand side. That is an assignment rule that all the right hand side constant expression or any value can be stored to the left hand side variable. So here NO2 now contain the addition of NO subscript 0 and NO subscript 1. So the output will be displayed as like the value of first input value, the value of second input value given by the user, and the third value will be the addition of 2 different values first given by the user as an input. So I'm gonna run this program. We'll switch to the IDE. So first reduce the spaces between the lines. So here we go. So let's switch to the IDE for the program execution, and then we will see how this program is executed. in GWBC. So here we go. We were on line number 10. We will type CLS to clear the contents of the screen. Line number 20 we will type the dim statement. For more than 10 elements we will use dim statement. We will use the variable name array variable, subscripted variable with element value 3, subscript 3. Line number 30 we will type input first number and O subscript 0. Line number 40 we will type input second number and O, and the value which will be stored in the array variable and O subscript 1. Line number 50 we will do the addition and store the value of the addition of two different variables NO01 and NO subscript 1, NO subscript 0 and NO subscript 1, and will store into the variable subscript variable array NO subscript 2, and we'll do the addition of NO subscript 0 plus NO subscript 1. Line number 60 we will use the print statement to display the output on the screen. So print NO subscript 0, the first value which we want to show on the screen is NO subscript 0, semicolon, NO subscript 1, and then semicolon and NO subscript 2. And at line number 70 we will type the E and the N, and then we will press the F4 key to save the program. The name of the program we will give will be ARRAYS name of the program. Now load this, we will press the F3 key. We will press the F3 key and we will then type the name again, ARR4.bas. Now we'll run this program, press the F2 key. So let's give the first value as 25, second value as 50, and then we can see now the first value which was stored in NO01 by using input statement was 25. So 25 can be seen on the screen. First time, second value, second number given by the user was 50. So 50 is displayed, which was stored in NO subscript 1. Now it can be can be seen on the screen. And now the addition of both these values, 25 and 50, which is 75, it can be seen on the screen like this way. You can see on the screen. So we have successfully executed a program. Now I'm going to interpret and give the explanation how the whole program is executed and the output is generated. Let's see. So let's switch to the text area again. So here we are, viewers. Now I'm gonna interpret this whole program, how the program was typed and how it was compiled and executed and the output was generated. So I will type on line number on line number 10, CLS statement is used to clear the contents of the screen. You are already very well aware of that. On line number 20, dim statement is used with array variable name and O with subscript 3. On line number 30, on line 30, line number 30, input statement is used so that user can give any value which can be stored in array variable named and O subscript 0. On line number 40, this is 40. On line number 40, again input statement is used so that user can give any value which can be stored in array variable named no subscript 1. So on line number 50, print statement is used. Sorry, the addition is being performed. So on line number 50, no array variables named no subscript 0 plus is added together using plus symbol. With no subscript 1, and the addition performed at right hand side is now assigned to the left hand side to array variable name no subscript 2. So now no subscript 2 has the addition of no subscript 0 and no subscript 1. And in the line number 60 we have used the print statement. So let's see where we have used the print statement. We want to display the value stored now in N0 and N01 and N02. So we'll type over here on line number 50, print statement is used to show the value input and stored in array variable named no subscript 0 comma no subscript 1 and no subscript 2 respectively. Semicolon is used as a separator which will put margin space between among them. Okay, and on line number 60, end statement is used to show the ending closing of the program, which is an optional statement. So we have first written the program and then executed the program in the IDE and generated the output by using the input and print statement. That what we have performed today using input and print statement, and we learned how to perform filling and printing of an array, and the output was generated. We can see right over here, and the integration was also shared with you guys, that how all the lines are executed and how the output is generated by using this program. So we have successfully executed this program by using input and print statement, filling and printing of an array. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video.